Health Zone Presence. Why having physical imperfections makes you more beautiful. You might feel unattractive because of some of the things that you regard as flaws. No matter if your dilemma is brought about by your curly hair, unwanted mole, tooth gap, or a bunch of freckles, it's high time that you embrace your flaws so you may start feeling confident and beautiful. People will surely have a hard time getting their eyes off you once they sense that wonderful change coming straight from within you. Here are the reasons why having physical imperfections make you more beautiful. Flaws make you a total standout. No two persons on the planet are exactly alike. What you consider as flaws make you unique, and looking different from all the rest is always a good thing. So many female movie stars and supermodels are revered because of their facial features that are one of a kind. Want to know how it feels like to be a popular celebrity? Easy. Learn to accept the things that make you different and bask in the feeling of being unique. They help in defining who you are. Alter any physical attribute of yours to follow what's regarded by the society as beautiful, and you might as well say goodbye to your own character. Your family and friends have always known you by the way you look, and they have associated it with your personality. Changing your nose or lips will only rob you of the facial features that everybody has known you for. Some of your flaws are parts of your life experiences. Things that have happened yesterday help you get somewhere today and tomorrow. That is why you should be very thankful for your past experiences, as they make you stronger and more appreciative of life, including the ones that left you scarred. Literally speaking, instead of seeing scars as imperfections, consider them as signs that you survived challenges in the past. People will surely admire and adore you for being so tough. Imperfections make you look more interesting. Making heads turn and winning lots of flattering remarks is easier if you look more interesting than the rest. A lot of women actually apply fake freckles or moles, or even have their dentists put gaps between their two front teeth just to look distinctive. Other women are even willing to undergo minor cosmetic surgeries to win themselves cleft chins or dimples. If you want to look striking, accept your so-called flaws wholeheartedly and let them make you a head-turner. No one can achieve perfection anyway. Regardless of how much money you are willing to shell out and how much pain you are willing to go through, attaining perfection is impossible because no one is and can be perfect. It's a much better idea to simply accept the fact that you are flawed, like every single human being on the planet. Forget perfection and focus on loving yourself. If you want to be loved and accepted by others despite of your so-called flaws, start loving and accepting yourself. In the end, none of your perceived imperfections will matter, especially if you allow your inner beauty to radiate. If the video was helpful, press the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the red box below. Thank you for watching. Smile.